Accounting Link simplifies sending financial information from your shop management system to your accounting software. To begin, verify the information on the first screen before sending it to your accounting software. Preview the activity for a date by double-clicking on it. This retrieves payable invoices, receivable payments, and repair orders that are ready to be processed. Start a closeout by selecting the current date to process. Now, in the Work in Process panel, the screen displays all the information for the date. Look to the Totals area to confirm the Sales with Tax line by verifying it with Shop Management System reports. After verifying sales receipts match total sales with tax, confirm that credit card totals match credit batch slips from the processing machine. For example, let's say for this day the Elect debit card total looks a bit high, and you're missing an Amex transaction. Click on Edit Payments to check. When you find the transaction that should have been an Amex, double-click on that line. Go to the upper right-hand corner, change it to American Express, and click Save. You'll notice the transaction is removed from the Elect debit card group and is now in the Amex group. The change is also reflected on the main screen. Now, click Print Payables to check the day's accounts payables activity. Match activity on the payables log to your supplier invoices. A simple link click allows you to edit errors. For example, a bill should not have been assigned to Arnold Motor Supply, but to Beller Distributing. We can click the link and drop the vendor list down to select Beller Distributing. The vendor name change is now reflected in the payables log. From here you can print it or view the history. To print, navigate to the bottom right-hand corner and select Print. This gives you the summary report, plus the day's payables, and lets you print your paperwork or view digitally in your history. Next, navigate to the Export tab to start the process of sending data to your accounting software. Click Export to send the verified data to your accounting software. Accounting Link eliminates rekeying. It removes inefficiencies from your process and guarantees your success. Now you can create deposits, manage accounts receivable, pay your vendors, and monitor your financial performance from accurate, updated reports. We'll install the software and give you training and support, perfect for single or multiple location businesses. Accounting Link securely transfers your financial data to your accounting software, even if you're at home or working remotely. Program settings can be identical or vary by location, and best of all, you can connect it with your accounting software and customize the start date. You can start as early as the first day your shop management system is live. Create a start date from a month from now or go back in time to a year ago. For users with multiple locations, each location may be connected to its own company file. Additionally, Accounting Link is compatible with QuickBooks, Sage, BusinessWorks, and more. During installation and training, our experienced accountants will map the shop management activities to the correct accounts, ensuring income and expenses go where you want them. If you decide to make a change to your chart of accounts or P&L, it's also easy to adjust the mapping in Accounting Link. QuickBooks users can even distinguish shops by QuickBooks classes. Regarding customer sales, they may be exported in summary as a journal entry per day, or for QuickBooks users, in subsidiary as invoices and payments per customer. From this, the system provides detailed subsidiary invoices that summarize vehicle data, show part numbers, descriptions, and the labor involved. Accounting Link's flexibility also allows users to break out sales by parts, labor, and sublet, but also goes deeper by segmenting sales and cost by category, like brake, engine, and exhaust. Lastly, with Accounting Link, you can transfer all activity or select a few to transfer, like only sales or accounts payable. Always reach out to us for help with your Accounting Link questions.